Create professional logo in just 1 minute. Free Canva method. Forget Fiverr, make your own pro level logo in 1 minute using Canva. So once you are logged into the Canva, we need to click on create at the left hand side. And from here, you can select the options. So I will go with the logo. I'll click on that. And then we need to go to the templates, go for the minimal design. Whatever you see minimal, you can also search an idea, make it design. So let's say this is a paid one. I'll use the free one. Let's say this is there are tons of logo which you can go for, and those are free. So let's say this is the thing I want, and you can make some color changes, add your style to it, add the text, edit the text. And once you're done with the editing, click on share, click on download. File type is already suggested, size is already selected. So you don't have to make any changes. You just need to click on download and it will be downloaded. So make sure you use the free version like this. So let's say I'll go to design again, use the free version in that manner. You will download it. After editing, you can simply download without any issues. Right. So if you find this tutorial short and helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.